Hi, my name is Danielle Wilson and I'm the Patient Liaison Coordinator here at the Barbados Fertility Centre. A big part of getting here to come and see us is, well, getting here. And that can be a stressful situation, especially if you're not familiar with Barbados. This is where we can help. We are here to offer you great travel packages where I book everything for you, all the aspects, your flights, your accommodation, your taxis to and from the airport and to the clinic. You even get a local cell phone that you can use while you're here. If you choose to book things on your own, I'm also here to help by helping you source accommodation that would be suitable for you, all depending on what you're looking for. I can even help with car rentals and with activities to do and things to do in Barbados, because Barbados is a great place full of culture and things to do. The second way that we can also assist you to take down some of that stress is with our Life Wellness Centre. We know that stress plays a big part in fertility, so we have opened our very own Life Wellness Centre. And here is where we offer patients holistic treatments, different types of massage, reflexology, acupuncture, just to name a few. So we try to encourage patients to incorporate these treatments into your cycle, which I can coordinate. These treatments offer many benefits, from improving your well-being, circulation, balancing the body, and all of this in turn increases your success rates. One of the treatments that we highly recommend is our pre and post acupuncture that takes place on your embryo transfer day. This treatment has specific protocols, acupuncture protocols, that are directed towards improving implantation of the embryo and the blood flow to the tissue of the endometrium. So if any of these treatments are of interest to you, or if you have any questions about any of them and you want me to incorporate these into your cycle, please do not hesitate to ask or call me or email. We're here to help, and I so look forward to welcoming you to Barbados.